पणजे स्मार्ट सिटीचे काम जून मेरेन पुराय जातले अशें महसूल मंत्री आनी पणजेचो आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी सांगले। G20 बसका आनी पावसा खातीर ह्या कामाक कळाव जालो। स्मार्ट सिटीच्या एमडी कडेन ह्या विशयाचेर उलोवप जाला अशें मोन्सेरात हांणी सांगले।
Last time what has been, last time they had stopped the smart city work because of G20. Then the monsoon came. So now actually I spoke to the MD also today also. The smart city work will be completed by June.
पावसा पयलीं
complete that.
Okay. And
but if you go to see last time also, पावस येवन पडून लागून काय flooding अशें जावंक ना. So that means you can see the smart city is doing Benjamin is becoming smart.
पण आता ट्रॅफिक इश्यू भी जाता सर, serendipity behind smart city
No,
congestion.
But see, any development, we are not building a new city. This is an old city. So that trouble is going to you are going to have this problem of traffic and all.
Okay.
So just people are bearing this. But it is ultimately we are doing this for their betterment. So we want to see that Benjamin really becomes smart and the people have better facilities in Benjamin. So we rest assured by June it will
By June Panji will be smart.